Hi, this is Karen at Snickerdoodle Designs. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new Grungy screens. There are 4 sets available and set 1 is pictured here on my screen. I designed these to help you very easily and quickly apply some beautiful grunge or texture to any of your projects. These can be used equally well on photographs, embellishments, word art graphics, or background papers. So let's take a look at a few examples and then I'll show you how these work. Here on the left are some very pristine objects. I have a label, some word art, and a photograph. And on the right I have used the screens to apply some really pretty texture to all 3 items. I wanted the photograph to be very grungy, so I did use 2 different screens for this, one with some scratches in it and then one with just some grunge like is pictured here in this label. So how do these work? Let's take a look. Here's a solid layer of color. I think it'll just be easy to see on a solid layer, and then we'll look at it with a background paper. So let's go ahead and open a screen, and I'll just grab this one right here, place it on my document, check the check mark to commit it, and then all I need to do is come over here to the blend mode option, and that is located at the top of the layers panel, and change the blend mode of the screen itself from normal to screen. And now the black disappears and the pattern that's in white is available for us to see. Now I do have some other options here. I can go ahead and lower the opacity of that if I like. If I didn't want all of that, I could apply a mask. Make sure I was using black. Choose a soft edge brush. And I know this is soft, it's all the way to the left, and that size works for me. Click on the mask to make sure it's active, and then I could just paint away whatever I didn't like. Now I have my opacity set at 66. If I didn't want any of that line, I change it up to 100 and I could remove it. I'll bring this back down a little bit and just take away some of that. And I think that's fine. Now, you can also apply it to papers that already have some texture or color to them. This is a paper from my mini kit, Free to Be. It's got some really pretty dark texture or color to it. And if I wanted to brighten it up a little bit, I could go ahead and add one of these screens and give it a little bit of white color here. Now again, you have the opportunity to make changes in your opacity levels, your masks. You can duplicate, or not duplicate, but combine these. If I wanted to add a little more and a different type of texture or grunge, I could just use a different screen. Let's grab another one. These actually are the little heavier screens. Oops, I used open instead of place, so let me drag it over here. And I'll change that to screen, and that has a really nice heavy texture to it. So it depends on the look that you're going for. You can have as much or as little as you like, and that's really all there is to it. You just change the blend mode of the screen to screen and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun with this product. Bye-bye.